say you slow it down, not right now. Then you wink at me and walk away. Let it be, let it be, let it be known. Touching and teasing me, telling me no. But this time I need to be right. All alone, right. Just lose control, right. Catch my soul, right. Right, me, right. Turn the lights down low, right. From head to toe, right. Catch my soul, right. Right, baby. We'll view the rest of the club on Saturday. You're acting like a diva saying you don't wanna pay. It's gotta be your feisty style. Raise that crowd. I love it when you look at me that way. Now we're in your order and me heater at the bar. Reapply your lip because it came off from the glass. The DJ plays your favorite song. Kanye's on. Now you're beckoning for me to dance. Pull me close. Close your eyes, still telling me we gotta go. Won't you take me home? Right, all alone, right. Just lose control, right. Catch my soul, right. Let me feel you. Turn the lights down low, right. From head to toe, right. Touch my soul, right. Let me feel you. Everything was right until the phone began to ring. She takes it to the corner, that's when I start wondering. I can hear her shouting, banging fists against the door, yelling, yo, it's over, I can't take it anymore. Then I walk away and act all nonchalant and chill. I ain't tryna get caught up in a mess for real. But she came around and backed me up against the wall. She said, I know you heard, but I'll make you forget it all.